The Tesla Model X tow package transforms this electric SUV into a capable towing vehicle, offering a factory-integrated solution that maintains the vehicle's advanced features while adding practical utility. At the heart of the tow package is a Class 3 hitch receiver rated for 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. This reinforced mounting point is designed to handle heavy loads while preserving the vehicle's structural integrity. The package includes a factory-installed 7-pin wiring harness that seamlessly integrates with Tesla's electrical system. This provides power, brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights to ensure safe and compliant towing operations. Advanced software integrations enable trailer stability control, automatically detecting and correcting trailer sway through regenerative braking adjustments. This feature enhances safety during towing maneuvers. The tow package comes standard on higher trims like the Model X Plaid and is available as an option on other trims, making it accessible for various Model X configurations. While the tow package enhances the Model X's utility, it has limitations with autopilot. Towing mode restricts autonomous driving features to ensure safety, requiring manual operation during towing. Hitch installation on the Tesla Model X involves 4 main steps: preparation, hardware mounting, electrical wiring, and software activation. Step 1. Preparation. First, verify that your Model X is equipped with the tow package by checking the vehicle identification number or the Tesla app. This ensures compatibility with the installation process. Step 2. Hardware mounting. Remove the rear bumper cover carefully. Then attach the hitch receiver plate using the factory-provided bolts, ensuring they are torqued to exactly 100 foot-pounds for proper security. Step 3. Electrical wiring. Connect the 7-pin wiring harness to the vehicle's electrical system. Use a multimeter to test for electrical continuity, preventing shorts that could damage the battery or trigger error codes. Step 4. Software activation. Finally, activate towing mode through the Tesla touchscreen interface. This mode limits vehicle speed to 75 miles per hour and adjusts the vehicle's systems to account for the added trailer weight. Remember these important safety guidelines. Always use Tesla-approved hitches to prevent frame damage, and be cautious with DIY modifications that could void your warranty. Electrical wiring is a critical step in setting up your Tesla Model X tow package. We'll focus on safely connecting the 7-pin harness to ensure your trailer's lights and brakes work properly. The tow package includes a 7-pin harness that's pre-wired to your Model X's electrical system. This harness provides power for trailer lights, turn signals, brakes, and reverse lights. First, locate the 7-pin harness connector from your tow package and the matching plug on your trailer. The 7 pins correspond to different electrical functions like running lights, brake lights, and power. Next, carefully align and plug the harness into the trailer's connector. Make sure the connection is secure and the pins are properly seated to avoid loose connections that could cause electrical issues. Before finalizing the connection, use a multimeter to test for electrical continuity. This ensures there are no shorts or breaks in the wiring that could damage your Tesla's electrical system or cause safety issues. A critical safety note: never cut into or modify the vehicle's main harness. This could void your warranty and create dangerous electrical faults. Always use the factory-provided connections. Proper electrical wiring is essential for safe towing. It ensures your trailer's brake lights, turn signals, and running lights function correctly, helping you communicate with other drivers and maintain safe stopping distances. Safety is paramount when towing with your Tesla Model X. Let's explore the essential guidelines that ensure safe and reliable towing. First, always respect the maximum weight limits. Tesla specifies a maximum trailer weight of 5,000 pounds and a maximum tongue weight of 500 pounds. This ensures your vehicle maintains proper handling and braking. Second, only use Tesla-approved hitches. Third-party hitches can cause structural damage to your vehicle's frame and may void your warranty. Always verify the hitch is certified for your Model X. Third, make sure your trailer has brakes proportional to its weight. Electric brakes should match the trailer's mass to provide adequate stopping power and prevent jackknifing or runaway trailers. Finally, regular maintenance is crucial. Inspect your hitch, wiring harness, trailer brakes, and tires before each trip. Ensure all lights work and connections are secure to prevent electrical issues or safety hazards. When installing the tow package on your Tesla Model X, you have two main options: doing it yourself or having it done professionally. Experienced users can handle DIY installation to save costs and maintain control, but Tesla service centers are often preferred due to warranty concerns. Let's compare the pros and cons of each approach. DIY installation offers cost savings since you only pay for materials, gives you full control over the process, and allows flexible timing without scheduling constraints. However, DIY carries risks like voiding your warranty if not done correctly, potential electrical issues that could damage the vehicle, and requires significant experience with automotive wiring and hardware. Professional installation at Tesla service centers provides warranty protection, ensures expert compliance with factory standards, and helps avoid costly electrical repairs down the line. The downsides include higher costs, the need to schedule an appointment, and less personal control over the installation process. As a safety tip, always review your warranty terms before attempting DIY work. Professional installation at Tesla service centers guarantees compliance and provides peace of mind for your investment. The trend towards EV towing is growing. Future developments include universal hitch adapters, AI-assisted towing modes, and increased regulatory focus on EV towing safety. Over-the-air updates will likely improve trailer sway detection and energy recovery during towing. Wireless trailer brakes are also gaining popularity, reducing wiring complexity. These innovations will make EV towing safer and more efficient in the coming years.